The following describes how to modify parameters through the keypad. We have previously introduced that the PRG/ESC button can enter and exit the first level menu. How to enter the menu? We need to PRG/ESC button to display the P00 basic parameter group. If we want to view the P01 group, we need to press the Shift button and move the cursor to the far right. We can adjust the value by pressing the up and down buttons. To enter the P01 menu, we press the up button and adjust P00 to P01. Press the Data/ENT button to enter the P01 group. If we need to enter the submenu of P01, we can adjust the value by pressing the up and down buttons. For example, to enter the P01.01 menu, we need to press the Shift button and move the cursor to the far right. Then, press the up button to change P01.00 to P01.01, and then press the Data/ENT button to enter the P01.01. The parameter function of P01.01 is the direct starting speed, and the default value is 0.0 meter per second. If we want to modify the direct starting speed, use the Shift button to move the cursor to the corresponding position. Press the up and down buttons to adjust to the value to be modified, and after the modification, press the Data/ENT confirmation button, and the direct starting speed parameter is successfully modified. We can exit to the previous menu by pressing the PRG/ESC button, and exit the to first level menu by pressing the PRG/ESC button again.